I've now moved 45 minutes up the coast to Madiha, so 15 minutes outside of Marissa, only a short drive. But there's only one reason that I've come here, and that's for the parties at the doctor's house. This place is famous for on a Wednesday and on a Saturday, lots of stuff going on. It's where all the island, all the south come, get together and have one mad night out. So let's go check it out. God, this little town is absolutely beautiful. It's like some sort of postcard from Sri Lanka. Your perfect coconut lined beaches, no one on them, amazing waves. What a great little town this is. Well, that food at Swell Cafe was by far the best food I've had the whole time I've been here in Sri Lanka, and actually a really good price. Each main meal was only 2,000, so I don't even think it might be £5 English each, which is absolutely nothing for the quality of it. It's beautiful seafood. But let's get to what we're here for. Doctor's house, party, Wednesday night. It's only 5 o'clock at the minute, so I'm going to have a little walk past, see what it's like. Party starts at 6 apparently, but it's a bit early that innit, so I'll probably head down a little bit later, but I just want to go check the vibe out now and show you guys before we get in full on party mode later. So that's what it was like at 5:15 on the Wednesday before a party. I'm sure it's going to get livelier.